Hi, I'm John Hill. Do you need a new truck now, but your board thinks it's better to repair the old one? Or refurb it, or just buy used? It's not uncommon, but it can be a costly mistake. Today we'll look at a real department in just this situation. We'll even run the numbers to show how to use a financial tool to measure the best way. The Guilford Fire Department was unsuccessful in convincing the board it was time to replace the truck. The fire department relied solely on operational analysis. The repair versus replace decision is a comparison between investing a smaller amount of money in a shorter lifespan or a larger amount of money into a longer lifespan. We'll show you how to do this simply with the repair versus replace calculator. The estimated repairs were going to be $80,000 and would extend the life cycle by about 5 years. And the older truck would cost about $500 a year and more fuel because it's less efficient. The new truck would cost about $325,000 and would have a lifespan of nearly 25 years. The fire department estimated that the cost of lost buying power would be 4% a year. The fire department would finance the truck at 3% for 10 years. And it estimated that the cost of insurance would go up about $500 for the new truck. After entering all the numbers, you can see that the cost of buying new is less than repairing the old truck.